think I've got oak throat. A Native American grandfather found his grandson crying after school and discovered from the sobbing child that a playground bully had been cruel. Well, I wish that I could hurt him, said the child. When I get big, that's what I'll be. That will make me sad, said the grandfather. But then I'll know the dark wolf is taking you. There are two wolves. There are two wolves. And within each heart, these two wolves fight. One is hatred, rage, and darkness. The other wolf is love and light. The old man put his arms around the child. Said the thing you want is called revenge. When you try to hurt the one who's hurt you, you become a little more like them. The old man said, I know what you are feeling. Being human, I have felt it too. The child looked into the ancient eyes then. He said, Grandfather, tell me what to do. There are two wolves. There are two wolves. And within my heart, these two wolves fight. One is hatred, rage, and darkness. The other wolf is love and light. The old man said, Child, do not fear this battle. Though each wolf will make the other bleed, it is in your power to choose the victor. The wolf that wins will be the one you feed. There are two wolves. There are two wolves. And within each heart, these two wolves fight. What is hatred, rage, and darkness? The other wolf is love and light. One is hatred, rage, and darkness.